and sisters. Today we've heard many names whom we can readily attribute service at the heart of their lives. We've heard of the names and at least some snippets of their lives. Paul, Samuel, David, Saul, John, the disciples, and Jesus himself. All had in their hearts the love of being a servant. At alam po ninyo, malaki ang posibilidad na hindi lamang nila isinapuso ang pagiging lingkod. Masaya silang mga lingkod. They are happy to be called servants. They celebrated their being servants during their life. We've heard today at least a part of the story of Jesus washing the feet of his disciples. We've heard how much the Lord celebrated his being servant to his apostles. And on the one end, how Jesus showed how service should be to his disciples. A servant not only because it is a name or a title, but service is something we celebrate in life. Something that we are happy and honored to be. And as we continue our Easter journey and our life, magandang pansinin po ito sa ating mga sarili, mga minamahal kong kapatid. We might want prestige, fame, and title. We might want to be honored and sometimes to be feared by all people. But have we ever sought of celebrating and being happy as servants? Ang matawag na lingkod at ang maging masaya sa pagiging lingkod. Service now has a lot of faces. My being priest, your being a worker, your being a parent, your being a student, our being citizens, their being leaders, their being family and friends in one way or another. Lahat ng ito ay paglilingkod. Lahat ito ay bakas ng paglilingkod sa atin pong mga puso. Ang tanong, masaya ba tayong naglilingkod o masaya ba tayong mga lingkod? Baka po kasi allergic na tayo sa salitang lingkod. Dahil ang lingkod, pang mababa lang, pang iba lang, pang malulungkot lang, pang ibang tao lamang. Saint Isidro Labrador is just an example. He was happy being a servant. Masaya siyang nagtatrabaho. Masaya siyang nagbibigay ng oras sa pagsisimba at pagdadasal. He bore the reality of happy to serve in his life. Masaya siyang tinawag at masaya siyang nabuhay bilang lingkod. My dear brothers and sisters, these men embraced the service and being a servant. What is there for us not to celebrate it and even desire of it? For as we serve happily, know that lives are blessed. Masasayang lingkod, masasayang buhay ang ibinabahagi sa bawat isa.